Unreal. This is my second take of the video. I thought I was recording the whole time and I wasn't. So whatever, I get to do this again with you guys. So here we are. I wanted to do a quick video on the Microgreene 002, what I did, why I applied this, and what's next for me as far as my lawn and how well this worked for me. So I noticed last year in the fall, soil test results showed that the lawn was a little deficient in some of the micronutrients. So I've been looking into some different products and came across this from Greene County Fertilizer Company. Again, I got these from Yard Master. It was 3 quarts. You buy 3 quarts, you get 1 free. And it was actually a really good deal with free shipping. So 2 weeks ago, it was about 2 weeks ago, I did my other video, my liquid aerate, which had the humic acid and the fulvic acid. So wanted to apply that and did a really good job. I was gonna wait about 2 weeks, at least 2 to 3 weeks to apply this stuff. However, I saw some rain was coming over the last couple days, a steady amount of rain, nothing too heavy, and I thought it would be perfect conditions to apply this now. I like to spoon feed my yard, I don't want to apply everything all at once. But, so here's what it comes with. 002, of course, the potash for overall lawn and plant health, magnesium, sulfur, copper, iron, manganese, zinc, and it's got humic acid and kelp. So tons of great stuff in here. I really like this stuff. It worked really well. This bottle, it's 32 ounces, 1 quart, covered just about the whole front yard. It was almost 6,000 square feet. So I could use a little bit more, but I wanted to stretch it out to what I could. So 6 ounces roughly per, diluted with a minimum of 1 quart of water per 1,000 square feet. So I did 1 for the front, 1 for the back. I stretched the back out as well. And this stuff works great. I'll show you how great the grass is looking and how green it does. So especially with that iron. But I think because of the iron, speaking of iron, I think that's where I ran into problems with my backpack sprayer. I have well water and I think it causes problems with this sprayer. So it just creates havoc. These are cheap parts, of course. All these sprayers are gonna have them, but I figured, okay, it's not a high-end sprayer by any means, but I figured it should still do the job after a couple applications. So the front yard was fine. The last applications were fine. Once I got to the backyard, it was just hell. Everything was going wrong. I had to keep taking off the sprayer, off my back, putting it back on, cleaning the tips, putting it back on, taking it off, figuring out what the problem was. This thing was loose at one point, so this loosens up as you're putting it on and taking it off. And of course, that can create air leaks. This has to stay on tight because that can create air leaks too. So I didn't know what the problem was. The battery was fully charged. The motor sounded kind of like it was bogging down. So I don't know if it just kind of ate some of the components inside here. I really don't know. But what are you gonna do? So this was the first tip sprayer I used. It was okay. I stepped on it and broke it. That's my fault. And this one worked pretty good too. I like this sprayer because it can kind of adjust the nozzle to it. And then this one is the one that gave me problems, especially the fan tip one. It kind of streams out. So I had to keep taking this off, cleaning the inside there, and there's just a whole bunch of gunk built up in there. And I don't know, it was just problematic. I was able to make it work, but those are the issues I had. I took everything off, I ran water through here, I ran the air compressor through here, all the components off from scratch. So whatever, I was able to make it work, but I don't know what I'm gonna do for my next application. I'll probably just do granulars anyways, but that's besides the point. So wanted to show you how good the grass is looking. It's about 1,000 square feet over there on that side of the driveway, and then this is about another 5,000 here. So it's all in all, it's looking really green. So I'm really impressed with it. Did a good job. I don't really have a lot of problem areas, a few weeds here and there, of course, but take care of it, it'll take care of you. So that's how it's looking so far. All in all, if you're deficient in some of the micros, it's a great application. You can apply this monthly. I mean, of course, it gets costly, so I like to just kind of do here and there. But I don't really plan on doing too much this summer. I might do one more application before summer, around Memorial Day. And then I'll keep it like that for a couple months and then start early fall, hitting it up really good with some heavy dose of nitrogen. So that's my experience with this product. Good stuff. Really impressed with it. Just really buttoned about my backpack sprayer and just kind of see what'll be next for you. So what are you guys using for your products right now? You guys have a good backpack sprayer? What works? What doesn't work? Please be sure to like and subscribe, comment below, or ask any questions. And stay tuned for watching. We'll see more videos soon. Thanks, guys.